English for all learners. Going to, plans and predictions. We use the going to phrase in the following way: subject plus am, is, or are plus going to plus verb. I am going to play football tomorrow. He is going to fly next week. We make questions with am, is, or are, plus subject, plus going to, plus verb. Is it going to snow tomorrow? What are you going to do tonight? We make negative sentences in the following way: subject plus am, is, or are, plus not, plus going to, plus verb. We are not going to buy this computer. When do we use going to? For future plans and intentions. Next weekend, I am going to visit my grandmother. For predictions based on the present facts. Look at the clouds. It is going to rain. What is the difference between the future simple tense and going to? We use will for decisions at the moment of speaking. There isn't any milk in the fridge. I will go to the supermarket and buy some. We use going to for plans made before the moment of speaking. I am going to buy a computer tomorrow. I have already made plans to buy it. We also use will for predictions based on an opinion. I believe they will be happy together. We use going to for predictions based on the present facts. Look at the clouds. It is going to snow. If you want more practice, watch the next video on our channel. Going to quiz. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. English for all learners.